In retail and commercial fueling, Leighton O'Brien has earned the reputation as the #1 fuel restoration technology provider worldwide. It is our mission to help marketers protect the quality of the fuel they sell to their customers and their fuel system assets. We do this through our advanced tank cleaning and fuel restoration solution. Let us explain. When it comes to fuel, water is the biggest threat and the greatest catalyst for poor fuel quality. But how does water get into the fueling system? Water ingress can happen in many different ways. Condensation caused by air intrusion, loose bolts and degraded gaskets on manways, runoff entering spill containers, vapor vents, damaged or missing fill and dip caps and seals, contaminated fuel deliveries. In diesel fuel, moisture results in microbial growth, which becomes contaminated sludge. In gasoline, moisture results in rust and scale. And in ethanol blends, moisture results in phase separation and operational shutdown. No matter what, water is a serious problem. Tank corrosion, faulty out-of-spec fuel, clogged filters and pumps, equipment malfunction, slow fuel flow, and much worse. If left untreated, this can result in lost sales, negative brand impact, poor customer experience, higher maintenance costs, reduced profits and asset value, engine malfunction. Stop the threat. Know the facts. Know your options. Know how to protect your investment, customers, and reputation. 83% of UST ultra-low sulfur diesel tanks experience corrosion. 25% of tank owners are unaware prior to a tank inspection. 36% of USTs contain some form of contamination in water at the bottom of the tank. Ultra-low sulfur diesel leaves 60% more water on your tanks than high sulfur diesel. And ethanol is more susceptible to water than any other fuel, which can quickly put your fuel out of spec and you out of business. There are 3 common tank and fuel restoration options. Option 1. Fuel filtration. This can be a low-cost but least favorable option. Here, fuel is agitated to stir up sediment from the bottom of the tank into the fuel. Filtration is time-consuming, increasing the volume of fuel to be cycled through the system. Large amounts of fuel are also lost. Option 2. Pressure wash. Here the tank is completely emptied of fuel and pressure washed inside. This method is expensive and used only for badly contaminated tanks. In fact, 95% of tanks will never require this option. Tanks must be shut down and fuel sales stopped during the cleaning process. Option 3. The patented 3-stage tank cleaning and fuel restoration solution by Leighton O'Brien. This process does not agitate the sediment into the fuel, thereby producing less hazardous waste. 100% of sellable fuel is returned to the tank after cleaning, and 80% of sites remain open during the cleaning process. Leighton O'Brien offers the most advanced premium tank cleaning and fuel restoration solution on the market today. Through a comprehensive 3-stage process, here's how it works. After the site is secured for safety, a fuel sample is taken to determine the degree of filtration and cleaning required. Through a special apparatus, free water in the fuel and microbial sludge off the bottom of the tank is removed via a gentle sweeping motion. Pumped through a basket strainer to remove heavy sediment, and then into a holding tank. Once all water and sediment has been removed, the remaining fuel is polished by a 2-stage filtration process. The fuel first passes through a coalescer to remove particles and water, then through a cartridge filter and magnetic conditioner before being reintroduced into the underground tank. After the sediment in the holding tank has settled, recoverable fuel is pumped back through the 2-stage filtration process and returned to the customer's tank as resellable fuel. To ensure the integrity of the fuel quality, samples are taken 2 to 3 times during the process. A fuel quality report is provided to the customer. The benefits are numerous. 100% of sellable fuel is returned to the tank. Minimum waste volume is generated. Keep selling fuel during the cleaning process. No hidden costs. Reduce ongoing preventative maintenance costs. Full fuel cleaning each time is not required. No matter your application, Layton O'Brien's advanced tank cleaning and fuel restoration system is the best solution. Visit our website to find your nearest fuel cleaning distributor.